Hi friends, in this video let us solve Fourier transform related question asked in GATE 2005 EC. Let x of n is equal to 1 by 2 power n u of n, y of n is nothing but x squared n, and y of e power j omega be the Fourier transform of y of n. What is y of e power j0? So we have to find y of e power j0. Okay, right. So first we find what is y of n. So y of n is equal to x squared n. X is nothing but 1 by 2 power n u of n. This is squared. So it will be 1 by 4 power n. U of n squared is u of n only because magnitude is 1. Okay, now what I have to find y of e power j omega. That is, we have to find y of e power j omega from here. From that, we have to find y of e power j0. Instead of finding this DTFT and all, it is a tedious process. What I do is I find from here y of z transform. We know z is nothing but e power j omega. So from that I substitute y of e power 0 because I know the easy formula for a n u of n. Because for a n u of n, z transform is z by z minus a. So I use that. So for y of z is first given by a is 1 by 4, so z by z minus 1 by 4. Okay, right. So now I substitute e power z is equal to e power j omega, e power j omega divided, sorry, e power j omega divided by e power j omega minus 1 by 4. So what is the thing? Now I substitute y of e power j0. So 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. So it is 4 by 3. Simple. The answer is 4 by 3. Where is that? Yes, option D is the right answer. Thank you.